Well, let's take you through the performance of the stock market yesterday. The Nigerian equity market on Thursday posted negative results due to profit taking in some Tier 1 banking stocks and the newly listed Geregu power by investors. Consequently, the all-share index dipped by 7.46 basis points or 0.02% to close at 47,524.38 as against 47,531.84 recorded at the previous trading session. Also, market capitalization depreciated by 4 billion naira from 25.8 trillion naira on Wednesday to 25.885 trillion naira at the close of trade. The key drivers of the weak performance were stocks of Zenith Bank, Access Holding, and United Bank for Africa, UBA. The market's breadth, however, ended positive with 13 gainers against 10 losers. Meanwhile, a turnover of 86.5 billion shares exchanged in 3,264 deals was recorded in the day's trading. Further analysis of the day's trading showed that in percentage terms, Honeywell Flour Mill topped the day's gainers table with 9.79% to close at 2 naira 13 kobo per share. Nameless International Farmer followed with a gain of 9.52% to close at 1 naira 38 kobo, while Feetsin grew by 7.88% to close at 9 naira 17 kobo per share. Also, Champs appreciated by 7.69% to close at 28 kobo, while Livestock Feeds added 6.8% to close at 1 naira 10 kobo per share. On the flip side, USCN led the losers with a drop of 9.76% to close at 9 naira 25 kobo share per share, while Geregu Power shared 9.02% to close at 110 naira per share. Lasako shared 6.67% to close at 84 kobo per share. Cornerstone Insurance and Champion Breweries dropped by 5.45% and 3.33% each to close at 52 kobo and 3 naira 48 kobo per share, respectively. Now, for further analysis, Ambrose Omodio, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consultant Limited, joins us virtually. Thank you for joining us, Ambrose.
Yeah, thanks for having me again.
Good morning to you. Now, let's begin with your prediction. You predicted last week that Geregu stocks was going to drop after the initial gain. It recorded a straight week gain. That was last week when it was newly listed on October 5. But right now we see that it has dropped by 9.02% to record a loss. What is your reaction to this?
No, to start with, I'll say that the market yesterday was a better market compared to the previous day. And as you said, for Geregu, I would also just market sentiment and also market forces. I said earlier that, when the stock is really newly, there are bound to be reaction, especially when it's done by introduction, which Geregu was also what they did by coming to the market through introduction. But it's surprising that people that already had Geregu have started supplying. Before, we can see that suppliers will hold their stocks to see that demand is high. But now, that means before you see suppliers putting down, these are factors that are in the stock before now. But they're selling, we don't know what they are seeing that made them to start selling early, because also it depends on the price they enter. If they enter around 14 naira to that stock and we see that 100 naira, they're most about make profit. Depends on the market forces that put the price down. The numbers that came from the company are not totally bad. And also the holding structure also is very much tight. But for me, if the price find its level, it will not become attractive for me to advise my client or myself to start taking position. But the sector where they are is a very good sector that we expect, because of the nature of their product or their service, we expect to see what the numbers going to the future. For me, that is the nature for Geregu. But the market generally, as I said, was better yesterday, but we saw a renewed buying interest in some financial non-sectors, especially the banking and insurance yesterday. The good sign, and also most of the banks, the first bank, where the inch up yesterday, so that people are taking advantage of what their low price to position those banking stocks. And other things like the healthcare sector, we also improve activities there. We see some position taking in that sector. For me, the market was mixed yesterday, not totally a down market. Also, if you look at the numbers of stocks again, we have a positive market spread for yesterday. I think the market is trying to see the outcome of the macroeconomic data we're expecting to hit the market. by Monday. Looking forward to see the consumer price index for the month of September. And also at the same time, any season will start up by that next week with any filers bringing the result to the market. These are the things that will show the market next week.
Well, we see that the banking sector is responsible for this loss largely. Just like the previous day, that was on Wednesday, it was largely driven, the loss was largely driven by the banking sector. But right here, we see the market breadth, as you said, having 13 gainers and 10 losers, that ending positive. But the market itself, the equity market, closed negative due to profit taking from the tier 1 banking stocks. But how do you marry these two factors? The fact that the Nigerian equities markets closed negative due to the profit taking in the tier 1 banking sectors, and then you have the market breadth closing positive with 13 gainers and 10 losers.
No, I would say, unless you are not looking at the historical index, the banking sector is what supported the market. If not, the market has been on a positive note. But because Geregu that has also high market price and lost 9% above the market now, the marginal 0.02. Market is very strong. You saw a positive market rate of 13 against 10, and the banking sector index gains 0.93. That is also positive. You saw insurance sector gaining 0.22. That the market was up. The first year banks I mentioned are the ones that push the market up. They are not on a sell-off now. People are taking position because they are still special in those first year banks. What you said that is that a lot of the losing. That is why the market lost marginally yesterday, because we are seeing improved buying sentiment of about 59% buying position and 41% selling position for the market yesterday. Market was really a better market. The private sector was attractive sector that people saw that the price of banks are becoming cheaper and they are seeing real value in those banks that they are taking position. They are going to probably taking the bank sector yesterday. But rather, only few stocks that saw it sell off like the second tier bank, the Telebank and the FCMB that the ones that because so the position was taken in Access Bank, in UBA, in GTB, and in the bank yesterday. These are not set positions, these are 5 positions in those stocks. The place to stock and the bank that I know that really suffer losses were just selling and the FCMB. For that, the people I think that this expected PR that was increased for 3 times in 6 months. It's going to impact on the banking results going to the future, despite the last about 180 billion deducted from their copper by CPM as a result of adjustment in cash reserve ratio from 57 to 32. For me, the bank sector is where people are looking at, because in Nigeria history, this sector is the most consistent sector in business payment, and also are looking forward to see sector to give them more position where the banks are going for the end of the year. And don't forget that anywhere in the world, the banking sector is the engine room of economic activities. On that note, people are looking at these are the sector that we can see in now because there is value in those sectors.
What would you attribute the gain in Honeywell flour mills, stocks too? They have recorded a 2-day straight gain now, and yesterday it increased by 9.79% to 2 naira 13 kobo.
If you remember, the previous day it was this same, Honeywell that led the user chart.
Yes.
It that it's not because of fundamental case, it's not the low price attraction in that stock that one below what naira. I think that a stock that has that kind of asset, and also they are in a sector that their demand for their product is is consistent because of food. For that, people I think that selling below 29 is an attack. That would say it's just market sentiment and forces. There's nothing much apart from low price attraction that bring what buyer attention to the stock. Not that you have not seen their second quarter result to see how they have done, but because the price has broken 2 naira mark now, that was attraction that bring the price up again. There's no other information for now apart from this low price attraction for Honeywell.
So let's get your prediction for the close of markets today, especially also as we expect the inflation figure. Do you expect the market to react to this? And what are your predictions for the close of markets for the week?
Actually, I've said it at the beginning. I was expect to see in this market. Who saw that market was up on the first trading day of this week after the holiday. We saw 2 days now. But for me, yesterday was already a vibe towards the expected inflation figure or data by next week. But I mean that today, within the last trading day of the week, there's a missed sentiment or trend to end the day. For me, that's what I look at. But I believe that it is next week activity that will shift in the market direction, and also we'll see where fund will pray for, knowing that already the market is very low. And when we see inflation, those big funds, the PSS, or where they are taking their fund to the president of the government going to see. And also don't forget that there's a rumor that the government wants to kind of structure their debt. If that happens, the market might be shaking because you don't know who's going to affect the operation. But they are coming out to say they are not doing that. If government going to structure their debt, they might affect some funds. For that, people are being careful in that place. But that might also move from physical market to the equity market, depending on the direction of government, whether they're going to reform their debt, structure their debt, or not. But I believe that market next week will be function of earnings, early filers, and the macroeconomic data, inflation figure, the direction where the market is going. So what happened in the US yesterday?
We have to wrap it up here. We have to wrap it up here. Thank you so much for the robust analysis as always. Thank you for your time on the show, Ambrose Amodio. All right. Have a productive day. Well, Nigeria's balance of payment report showed that Nigerians spent a sum of $11.6 billion on foreign education between 2019 till date. Amid Nigeria's budgetary troubles, we will be examining the challenges and charting the way forward after this break. We'll be right back.